how's it going? Do you want some free for only $1 to $5 per month? Well, hit that join button down below, and if that is not for you, the Patreon link will be in the description.
Whoa, wait a second. That's not free.
Well, let's not get too technical. We do offer a free Discord for everybody. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and with the release of Call of Duty Modern Warfare, we bring to you a capable custom PC which is able to play the game upon release. Now MSI and Nvidia kindly reached out to us to create a custom PC using one of their RTX cards, because the cool deal that they have going right now is purchase one of any MSI RTX cards, you get Call of Duty for free. Now, if you guys do want to find out more about this deal, I'll leave all the links in the description for you guys. There'll be 2 links to visit, so go check those out. Now, of course, if any of you guys are Call of Duty Modern Warfare fans, then you guys will know that the game has just released out on the market. And guess what? We're going to be able to play some on this awesome PC right behind us. Now, not only that, but we do have Thermaltake's new ToughRam inside. 16 gigabytes of RGB goodness, but of course, set to yellow to suit the theme. And so let's take you through more of the specs inside of this custom water-cooled system. Now, of course, housing all of this goodness is the S500 TG from Thermaltake. It is such a nice clean case, and we had no troubles putting this fully custom water-cooled system inside with 2 360 radiators to keep all of the hardware nice and cool. As I said before, we do have an MSI SEAHAWK RTX 2080 graphics card inside. Now this is the one with the built-on water block, so made it nice and easy for water cooling, as of course you guys know that is what we're all about on this channel. For the motherboard, we have the Z390 Gaming Pro Carbon. This was actually used inside of our Doom build. We are repurposing it for this build, and we have a 9700K CPU inside of this beast for all of that good gaming performance. 16 gigabytes of the Thermaltake ToughRam. If you guys want to see any specs, by the way, I'll leave them all in the description below. They are Amazon affiliate links. Helps us out at no cost to you if you do use our affiliate link. For the CPU water block, we do have the Thermaltake W5 block. This is a full copper block, so you're going to be experiencing nice temperatures. You don't have to worry about corrosion because you're not mixing metals with all of your other copper water cooling bits. Now, as I said before, 2 360mm Thermaltake radiators. These are their copper versions, and we have their new P1000 liquid inside their system, their yellow color of course, which looks really nice with all of the LEDs of the Riing Trio fans set to yellow. And for the power supply, we have a 1050 watt Toughpower PF1 ARGB power supply inside this system. Not too much custom work inside this system. We've got the custom sleeved cables. They are black, of course. They actually came out of the Doom build as well. We've got the custom water cooling loop, all yellow liquid. Then of course down the bottom we do have our little custom acrylic piece with that vinyl pattern that's on the outside of it. I thought it looked pretty cool, and it just made the PC look a bit different, so glad that we added that bit to the build. Now you guys may have noticed that we actually have a sit stand desk from Thermaltake right here holding the whole setup together. As I said, sit stand, it is fully RGB, syncs with the computer as well. We can have it whatever color we want. Thought this was a really nice feature, and I'm sure that we'll be using this in up and coming videos and PC builds. We'll create more setups if we have the time to do that. Anyway guys, that about does it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Remember, we have a Discord for you all to come and check out. The link will be in the description for that. And then of course, if you would like to become a channel member, the support is greatly appreciated. If becoming a channel member is not for you, then we also have Patreon down in the description below. Links will be all down below, so just go check that out. And if you want any of the parts mentioned in this video, I'll leave them down in the description below, as Amazon affiliate links helps us out at no cost to you. It's greatly appreciated. Before we go, I'd just like to thank NVIDIA and MSI for sponsoring this video, providing the graphics cards, greatly appreciated. Once again, guys, if you are interested in Call of Duty Modern Warfare and you need a graphics card, why not buy one of the RTX graphics cards from MSI and get yourself a free copy of the game. Links will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out more videos on the channel, like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.